Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the projector and a projector bay are in your inventory, and the grid has a powered reactor or battery. Place the projector on the surface, aimed at the area you want the hologram. Alignment matters because the projected blueprint uses that facing as origin. Once done, mount the projector bay adjacent so it can load the blueprint, and make sure both blocks have a direct power source and connectivity to an antenna or terminal for saving and transferring projector files. Next, use the projector interface to load your blueprint file. Choose from local saves or the world library. You need to set scale and rotation so the hologram matches available space, and adjust offset to avoid clipping into existing blocks. Once the projection appears, enable grid snap or precise movement tools to position critical structural pieces. This prevents misalignment during building. Make sure the projection color and transparency settings are readable. Then confirm the projection anchor point so welders will reach every projected block. Now you follow the hologram. Bring welders close and start welding from the frame inwards, prioritizing power and gyroscope blocks so systems boot early. Once main systems are welded, add armor plates and external details. Make sure conveyors and connectors align with projected ports. After completion, run tests to verify rotors, thrusters, and power flow. If something goes wrong, check projector power and ownership settings, realign the projector facing, and verify no mods conflict. This usually restores missing or shifted projections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.